Whether you drive a car or a motorcycle, your license plate is an important part of your vehicle. Protect and enhance the look of your license plates with WeatherTech's Billet license plate frames. Let's take a closer look. Both the Billet license plate frame and Billet motorcycle license plate frames are designed and manufactured in America by WeatherTech. They are made of solid billet aluminum, so they're extremely durable. They're built tough to provide long-lasting protection against wear and tear along your plate's corners and edges. Available in satin black and clear bright silver, these sleek frames are a great way to customize your vehicle's appearance. Both frames are easy to install, and Billet license plate frame comes with an assortment of different size mounting screws, so you can easily find the right size and swap out your old ones. Step up your license plate's protection and style with WeatherTech's Billet license plate frames.